This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 86 of building the Ford GT. This issue we're going to be looking at what we've got, Eric, a new person, not a car, we're looking at a person. So feel free to read all about Eric and his adventures with the Ford GT by the looks of it. And then I shall be building the rear cooling hoses. Well, I say building, they're already built. I'll just be installing them. So we've got some couple of singles and multiple connections to make onto the engine that we've been dealing with, and then we need to bring back in the inner compartment and attach a couple of those to that as well. So that, I think, should be easier than the hoses that we've been doing before. They look like they've got little plugs on them rather than having to attach in place with difficulty. So let's see how that's going to go. So the big one is the one that's going onto the inner compartment. These two are installing onto the engine block that we've got here already. See, here's the first one to do, the longer one of the two. Now this is the one that's going to be a bit of a pain, but not so much. It's got a plug on that end which goes onto one of these, the top one of those. It's actually got socket on it, so it should be better fit. Yeah, look, that's easy. That's the way to do it. And the other one goes onto the other one just next to it. There. See, that's easy. That's not messing about with bits of tubes that don't attach properly. So yeah, there we go. That's that. So that's done with that for now. I shall move this out of the way. I'll bring in the other compartment and we'll see how that one attaches to that. Right, so this is the main compartment, and we need to plug that into there. Just goes there, nice and easy. The holes are different sizes. The top one is thicker than the bottom one. So let's see if I can maneuver this so you can see and I can see. It could be tricky. There we go. That's probably the best I can come up with. It goes in there a bit like that. It's just like that. I can't see it. I can feel it. And it feels like it's out there, but it isn't. Right, let me get that attached and show you what it's going to look like when it's done. Okay, there we go. That's that. So we've now got multiple tubes coming off of there. It wasn't a tight fit, so I've once again added just a touch of glue to those pins to hold that in place. So there we have that. It can't be long until we get to join the back bit to the front bit and make it a proper car, and then we start putting the panels on and building the outside. I'm waiting for that. I like that bit. So that's it. Another issue completed. There are one more issue in this part of the build and this delivery, so I shall see you for that very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.